try the Blackstone peanut butter sandwiches 5 different ways. On the Blackstone, we're going to melt the peanut butter. I got a nice little presentation. Everybody helped out with this. Peanut butter banana. Don't think Dawn's going to try that, but she's going to have to. Peanut butter Nutella. Peanut butter fluff. Who calls them fluffernutters? Anybody ever have them? I grew up on these things. Peanut butter jelly.
The OG.
Boring. Peanut butter bacon.
Great value.
And then we're going to try this. We found this today.
Ginger snapped.
So it's not really about... This is the bread that we used. Oro wheat. Country style buttermilk bread.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Butter.
Buttermilk.
Butter dog.
Butter dog. The dog with the butter.
Butter dog.
We're making these like grilled cheese, basically. There's butter on each side.
Peanut butter. Oh,
Butter.
Butter. Yeah.
So like you're going to make a grilled cheese. So there's butter on each side, and then here's your fillings. So we're going to put them together. It's not really about making them on the Blackstone. It's about 5 different ways, and we're all going to try them along with this gingerbread snapped Mountain Dew.
I think there's gonna be like some cinnamon in there or something.
I don't know. I can almost guarantee it's going to be disgusting.
Mom might like it. That'd be weird.
What's going on over there? Hey, Sebastian, leave your mother alone.
Christmas.
By the way, I dropped a banana on the ground, and little Ruppy, our white dog, he wouldn't eat it.
Oh my
Sebastian.
goodness
Yeah.
gracious.
Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We'll bring it out to the Blackstone. We'll bring it back in the house. I'm just going to spray a little canola oil down, and we'll do a time-lapse video of them out there. We'll come in, slice it in 4s because there's 4 of us here, and we're all going to try it, and everyone's going to try every one.
It's time to stop!
Everyone is going to try every one. And we'll have a little bucket next to you if you want to spit it out. Sweetheart, honey.
Like the incognito.
Yeah, like the incognito.
If you haven't seen that, watch that video.
Brian Otina, if you watch that, we already bought this. So,
Yeah.
my honey, she over there, she makes sourdough, but it's not ready yet. Homemade sourdough.
Ooh. And that store bought.
All right, so follow me out there. I'll get it going, and we'll get these all juicy, buttery, melty peanut butter sandwiches. All right, we'll see you soon. That was creepy. Okay, made it out to the Blackstone. Not going to talk a lot. Going to flip them when they're brown. Everyone knows how to do this. Got the Blackstone on medium low. Just sprayed a little bit of canola oil. Hi, Sebastian. Are you playing fetch? That a boy. And we'll bring them in the house, cut them into 4 sections, and we'll have our sample, and everyone will eat.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now break it down and freeze. Break it down and freeze. Now break it down and freeze. Now break it down and freeze. Now where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball.
All right, we're back. Here they are. We got everybody sitting at the table. Some people are starting before others. We're going to sample each one, and sometime maybe at the end or in the middle, I don't know, because it's going to be a lot of peanut butter. We're going to, I got little cups, so I'll sample. All right, we're going to start with peanut butter and jelly, because that's, everybody likes peanut butter and jelly except for me. Hit it.
better than the normal peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It's actually really good. Just putting it on the Blackstone with a little bit of butter. That's tasty. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter and peanut butter and jelly.
Okay.
Dawn's favorite. What do you think, honey?
It's very delicious.
Good answer.
It's very delicious.
Aiden?
It's good. It's better than a normal peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yeah, it's better than normal. Actually, try it. It's actually really good.
Oh, who eat it?
This one next, the fluffy
Oh,
nugget.
yeah. More white. All right, does everyone want to try their Mountain Dew in between?
Right
Should we
now?
try it?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You just try it?
Yeah.
All right. Aiden says no. Why?
Tastes like gingerbread.
It's Mountain Dew.
It is not good. They don't belong together.
Oh, no.
No.
I love
I
it.
knew she would like it.
Do you really?
It's delicious.
I do not like
It's all
that.
yours, sweetheart. Well, that's
Oh
some
my
nasty
gosh, you
crap
can
right
have
there.
that.
Hey, it tastes more like gingerbread than it
Oh,
smells.
I do not like that.
I need something else to drink.
I need a Pepsi.
That's bad.
I can't open it.
Really?
That is
Yeah, that's
disgusting.
terrible. Aiden, you need something else to drink?
Yeah. Just give me water.
That is
Yeah,
disgusting.
water. That's a good idea, huh?
Give me a hard
We got
spirit.
6 different waters.
There you go.
Dang.
Take
Oh my
some
gosh.
shots.
All right, we're back to it.
Okay.
That is no good.
What should we try next?
I
Fluffy
like
nutty.
Quiet down, please. We're video
Ding.
thing.
Fluffy nutty.
the fluffy
The
nut.
Fluffernutter? Wait, which one's that one?
The
One with
this
all the
one.
white
The
on
one
it.
with the white
This
all
one?
over it. I can't
I'm
see
ready.
it.
Wait.
Fluffernutter. Everybody likes this. Oh, wow. Best tasty sweet goodness.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm.
I think the jelly tastes a little bit better.
Oh,
So it
great.
has more flavor.
This isn't really lunch. Well, it is for us. What time is it?
Sadly.
2 o'clock?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
We'll be eating supper pretty soon. We're hungry.
I don't like it.
I like it.
Nutella. What?
And by the way, Aiden and Don refuse to be on camera, which is fine. They're participating, and that's all I
Okay,
ask
wait,
for.
we're doing Nutella now?
Look
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ooh. Okay.
I
Three,
hate it, bro.
2, 1.
The Nutella stuff freaking good. Best one.
That was good.
It'd be good with like a graham cracker in the middle. Give it more crunch.
Oh, that's good.
That's good too.
You know,
Tastes like a Reese's.
I think my mouth's sticking together from all this peanut butter. You know what would be good? This would be a good dessert.
Uh-huh.
You get a little bit fancier bread, perhaps a brioche roll.
Like what I
No,
said.
think about this one. And like a brioche or something, a little bit sweeter bread.
Yeah. That
Doing
tastes
this, and then sprinkling a little bit of powdered sugar on it.
good. This is good.
That'd be a good dessert. Actually, this is really tasty. It's very chocolatey.
I'd say it's very hazelnutty.
The best one so far for me.
Okay, I'm done.
Nope.
No, you're not.
We got the
one
last two.
next?
Should we do the banana or the bacon?
Banana. Hold on a second. I gotta take it.
Yeah, I need a drink
Here,
real
have a
quick.
drink of this.
I love you, Mountain Dew. You'll
have-
probably sell a buttload of them, but that's just nasty.
Yeah, because mom's going to buy all of them.
They actually had
Okay.
12
And I don't
packs.
like Mountain Dew.
They had 12 packs of those, and
That's disgusting.
that wasn't going to happen, thank God.
Why don't you like it? Because it's
Okay.
gingerbread. Oh, no.
Okay, I'm ready for the banana one.
All right. This, I
no,
don't-
she does not have the banana.
Listen, if I can eat this, you can eat this. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter sandwiches,
Look at
and I
this.
definitely don't like bananas.
I like both of these together.
But I know this is a thing. So,
Nobody does this.
So many people
yeah,
do it.
lots of people do it.
Aiden was raising his hand because he does it.
I do it.
Here's the bananas in there.
Oh, that's
Okay.
good.
Let's go, everybody.
Oh,
3,
sorry.
2, 1, go.
That's good. I love bananas.
That's actually not bad.
I don't like
Put
that.
some Nutella on it.
I don't know. I mostly taste the peanut butter.
Tastes banana.
It adds like a creaminess to it or something.
I don't like it.
It breaks up the peanut butter a bit.
I'd never eat it again. But Aiden likes it, so that's 1 out of 4. That's all I'm going to eat.
This is
one
what I'm
day.
interested in.
It's okay, but
And we're not going to throw this stuff out. No, we're going to
Give it
to the dogs.
No.
Except for that.
Doesn't tell us.
Yeah.
Nutella.
Not this. No.
Not the jelly either, because they can't have grapes.
No, they can't have none of this.
Excuse me.
Except the
Sorry,
bacon
I'm
and
doing a little
peanut
bit.
butter.
Which is burp.
All right.
Okay. I'm most nervous about this
I'm excited
one.
about this.
Bacon.
The bacon.
And it's just that microwave bacon, so let's go for
Okay.
it.
3, 2, 1. Mmm.
I don't know.
I kind of like it. The
It's
saltiness.
not really that bad.
The saltiness. When it tastes it, when the saltiness.
I mostly taste peanut butter.
That's good.
It's that whole sweet and savory thing. It's actually way better than banana, as far as I'm concerned.
It's better than the banana one, but I'm not so sure about that.
You don't hate it, do you?
I don't hate it, but I don't really like it either.
I like the saltiness from the bacon.
That's interesting. It's interesting. Tori?
It's better than the banana one, but I'm like, Mom, I don't hate it, but like I don't really like it.
Is that
I
what,
would never eat it again.
is that what Elvis did? But he did bacon
You did bacon,
and
banana.
banana
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
peanut butter?
yeah.
Is that right?
I think so.
I don't know.
Those little
Yeah,
sandwich
there was
thing.
like an Elvis thing that he did something with this.
I think with bacon.
If I'm incorrect, comment below.
I'll just
Yeah.
pop it on the screen right here. Boop.
They comment otherwise they're wrong.
Okay.
All right, that's it. That's our episode. It was interesting, you gotta admit. 85 subscribers now, looking for 100.
Woo!
Woo!
We're getting there.
That was sad.
All right, anyone, we're done.
We're peanut butter out, so.
Yeah, it's a lot of peanut butter. I think
Yeah, my jaw hurts.
everything in my mouth is stuck together. Thanks for watching. If everybody does, don't forget to subscribe and comment. You know, make a comment. Say, hey, poor guy, you suck. Or, hey, poor guy, you're great.
That's sucking.
That I am. I am great at sucking. Tori, you got a little fluffing around your lip. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Yeah.